All right, where are they? They're not popping in. Hi, I have somebody who's called in on a telephone. Can I ask your name, please?
Joshua Carman.
Spell your last name.
Carman.
Spell it again.
C as in cat.
There we go.
Arman.
I just couldn't pick up the first one. Thank you. Sir, I'm going to change your screen name. I'm going to pop you in the waiting room. And
Okay.
we'll be with you in a few minutes. I'm covering 2 dockets this morning because we have a jury trial going next door, so it might be a few minutes. All right. I have somebody who's trying to log on a global. All right, I have someone on a device. And they just pop back out again. So. Is Kelly Frederick here? So, Mr. Hoot, if you can go ahead and unmute your device.
Did I get it?
Hi, Mr. Hoot. So, this is in the matter of Robert Hoot versus Kelly Frederick, file number 2004-27743 DP. So, Mr. Hoot, this matter has been adjourned to August 22nd at 8 a.m. And that's in front of Judge Olsaver. I'm just calling for him today.
Okay.
So, so you're all set, Mr. Hoot, August 22nd at 8 a.m.
Okay, Zoom one?
It's a different Zoom number. It's Judge Olsaver's Zoom. When you get your notice of hearing, it should have it on it.
Okay, yeah, see that. I know it was Saver, but when I got on there this morning, it said everything was going over here.
It's because he has a jury trial today, so I'm just coming. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Probably. Here, get me off of here.
All right, I have somebody on a device, HMD Global. Can you unmute your device, please? And they disconnected. Okay. Hold on, let me get these alphabetical because that'll make it easier in the long run. The matter of Kara Heavener versus Paris Ibarra. Paris Ibarra? No? All right. This is file number 2009-34618DS. Ms. Ibarra was ordered to appear. Ms. Ibarra has an arrearage of $26,430.40. This is a third show cause. Last payment we received was April 9th of 25 in the amount of $128.28. And she has a monthly charge of $1,294. She has failed to appear. I'm going to issue a bench warrant and a set bond in the amount of $5,000 cash. Obviously, FOC, if any of Judge Olsafer's people contact you and say they couldn't get in or something, we can adjourn it and hold the bench warrant. Okay, in the matter of Samantha Mackey versus Joshua Carmen.
Hello.
Hi, hold on one second. Let me get Miss Mackey in here.
Okay.
All right, Miss Mackey, if you'd like to unmute your device, please. This is in the matter of Samantha Mackey versus Joshua Carmen, file number 2010-36073DS. Both parties have appeared via Zoom. Mr. Carmen, we are here on a show cause. Looks like you appeared in front of Judge Olsafer back on June 23rd of 25. And Miss Underwood, were you appointed to Mr. Carmen?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
Mr. Carmen was ordered to make full July payment of $350 by today. He has failed to do so. Mr. Carmen, can you come make that payment today?
It's already paid. I paid
What?
it. I paid it 5 days ago.
5 days
So I
ago?
just had it. Yeah, I did pay it 5 days ago.
Okay. Mr. Vasquez, are you able to verify whether, I don't know if 5 days ago is enough time for it to show up in our system?
It should be pending by now, Your Honor. The only payment I'm showing is from July 15th for $127.
And then I paid the $350 about 5 days ago.
All right,
Confirmation
so
number?
Mr. Carmen, I'm gonna give you another chance. I'm gonna set this over to, or no, do you have an earlier August date for Judge Vasquez?
I'm gonna see if I have a confirmation number on my picture.
No, just
If I
hold on,
took it.
Mr. Carmen. Mr. Vasquez, do you know if you have any August dates for Judge Olsafer?
I don't show any right now. I believe it was 8/22 possibly. Let me look real quick.
Yeah, he's here that day. All right, Mr. Carmen, I'm gonna set it
8/25,
over,
sorry.
8/25. Mr. Carmen, I'm gonna set this over to August 25 at 8 AM. And Mr.
Okay.
Carmen, I expect the payment to be made
Mhm.
before that as well. Do you understand?
Yeah, I have a confirmation number from that if you want it.
That's great. It's okay. So I need you to make the full payment of $350 before that next court date.
So what is it?
But I
August
suggest
22nd?
you make it, Mr. Carmen, I suggest you make it a week before that. If not, I expect you to show up in person and pay in cash. All right?
Okay. Is the date
All right, and
August
that'll be back
22nd?
in August 25.
August 25th. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
and that'll be in front of Judge Olsafer, not me. So make sure your notice of hearing will have Judge Olsafer's Zoom number, all right?
Okay, yep.
All right, thank you. In the
Thank you,
matter
bye.
of Bethany Brown versus Paul Schneider, file number 13-39607DS. That matter has been adjourned to September 15. I knew she was a pickup too. Joanne doesn't have that one.
Oh,
That one, Joanne here, like, the most important person in the courtroom.
thank you.
Yep, I faxed it to the jail and sent it to Rhonda.
Right, and I already did, Rosenberg to, PD and Becky. No, but I sent it to her.
That's right.
Okay,
I can do the paperwork if you don't know what happened on the trial inspection.
I know who's more important to you. All right, in the matter of Julia Dennis versus Jose Rincon. Anybody? Let's see, Julia Dennis. File number 2014-40008DS. This is a date and time set for show cause. Mr. Rincon is ordered to pay $321 a month in child support. Looks like, last payment was on April 9th of 2025. There's an arrearage of $6,362. So I'm gonna issue a bench warrant for failure to appear. I'm gonna set bond in the amount of $3,000. In the matter of Zachary Hurst versus Courtney Jarvis. All right, this is in the matter of Zachary Hurst versus Courtney Jarvis, file number 2018-45379DS. Mr. Hurst is present via Zoom, but I do not see Courtney Jarvis in my waiting room, and she appears not to be in the courtroom. Ms. Jarvis is ordered to pay $221 a month in child support. Her arrearage as of today is $6,135. Last payment we received was March 5 of 2024. I'm gonna issue a bench warrant for her arrest for failure to appear. And I'm gonna set bond in the amount of $6,135. Thank you, Mr. Hurst. Sorry.
No problem.
All right. I'm
Sorry,
gonna
we're
go ahead.
driving right now.
It's okay. I'm gonna disconnect you. Have a good day. Oops. Okay. In the matter of Kaylee Villalobos versus Isaac Quaylar, file number 21-48251. Mr. Quaylar?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, come on up to the podium. So, this is the date and time set for show cause for Judge Olsaver. Thanks for making it over here. You are ordered to pay $697 a month in child support. You have an arrearage of $16,478. It looks like at the time of the show cause, your arrearage was $14,666, and that was back in April. Now it's gone up. Let's see, the last payment we received was $300 on June 13 of 25. And you were ordered to make a payment of $500 by today. Are you able to
I
make,
just made a payment this morning.
how much you make? a
I
payment?
made two, but I got to check. I haven't cashed that still either, so I gotta get a new ID. I don't got an ID. I lost my ID, so I'm waiting for that to come in. But I have a check.
You have a bank account?
I don't. I can cash that, but I have made a receipt. I got the receipt, and I'm about to go file this too for the petition for referee hearing too.
Okay, where are you employed?
It's called Brad's Roofing out in Toledo.
Do you get a paycheck with tax?
I get $10.99, but I get a paycheck, but I can't go cash it because I don't have an ID. So I literally just I lost it like this past coming up week, so
Okay.
I can't cash.
All right, so I'm gonna set this out to August 25 at 8 a.m. to make sure you made that payment. So you're over the felony limit, so the AG's office could charge you with felony. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you need to start paying that down and have your referee hearing. Make sure you appear for that referee hearing, and we'll set this over to August 25 at 8 a.m. All right, thank you.
Your Honor.
All right, in the matter of Courtney Ross versus Michael Walters. Bring him in. All right. You guys sit down. All right, Mr. Walters, thank you. So this is in the matter of Courtney Ross versus Michael Walters. File number 21-48420DS. This is date and time set for show cause. Mr. Walters' monthly amount is $11. His rearage at the time of the initial show cause was $8,543. It has gone down about $1,300 and is now $7,267. This is like the 10th show cause. Ms. Underwood was here for him before. His last payment was $67.82 on August 4 of 2021. He started out with orders for child support, medical support, and confinement. The rearage for confinement was dismissed because we don't charge for that. Okay, so Mr. Walters, what can you pay today?
Nothing. I don't have any money. I'm not even allowed to work.
Okay, who's supporting you?
My mom,
Okay, and let's see, it looks like Miss Underwood that his social security claim is pending. Have you received your social security yet, Mr. Walters?
no ma'am.
Where are we in that process?
I talked to them and they said they're still waiting for an answer. I talked to my lawyer last week.
And who's your lawyer?
Heidi Walken.
Okay, and you have her number?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
Okay, so,
Your Honor, so this is what Mr. Walters has been saying at every single hearing.
Okay.
I just want you to know that at the last hearing we had before the Goldsaber, he had supposedly submitted an updated letter from his physician stating that he was unable to work. And Judge Goldsaber ordered him to turn that over to his attorney, to Ms. Underwood. As of this morning, I spoke with her. She still doesn't have it. I don't have it.
all right, so, Miss Stevenson, have you received any information on the social security?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Walters, I need you to bring documentation today to the courthouse.
I turned it in to the courthouse and I faxed it to my lawyer on Friday, or emailed it to my lawyer on Friday. I talked to her.
Ms. Underwood?
Your Honor, I will check if it has come in. If it has, I will, of course, forward it to Ms. Wagner.
Ms. Stevenson, did you get anything?
The last time we received anything, I believe, was before June 20th, and that information was attached to the after court for Judge Olsaver. That's the last information we received.
Was it something from his lawyer?
It was paperwork regarding his social security claim. So that was attached to the after court. So Judge Olsaver had it at that point in time. That was the last time we've received anything.
Okay, and that was a month ago.
Yeah, that's when he told me to turn.
Yes.
it in.
So it sounds like they have it, you just don't have it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna set this out to September 15 at 8 a.m. And Ms. Stevenson, there should be an order in place that if he receives a settlement lump sum that goes to his arrearage.
Okay.
Okay, all right, Mr. Walters, you're gonna have to appear back in front of Judge Olsaver on September 15 at 8 a.m., all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, I have somebody on an iPhone. Could you unmute your device?
Yes.
All right, what is your name, please?
Brandon Neal.
Hold on, everybody. Steven Stickler, I know who you are.
Brandon Neal.
All right, in the matter of Tiffany Baber versus Steven Stickler, file number 22-49215 DC. Mr. Stickler, we are here on a friend of the court show cause. States here that you're ordered to pay $333 a month in child support as of today's date. Oh, wait, at the time of the show cause pleading, Kelly Cam, it shows that his original rearage on June 20th was $4,082, but today it's $26,430. No, I don't think that's right. I mean, that's a lot.
It's $4,842.70.
Today?
Yes.
So what was, okay, so, all right, so I'm gonna cross that out. So,
I paid,
no, it's okay, Mr. Stickler, hold on.
I paid
So-
$1,000 last, I paid $1,000 last month. And I have another
Okay.
400 today. I don't know.
Okay,
how the
hold on,
1,000
Mr.
didn't come
Stickler.
up.
Miss Cam, do you show he paid 1,000 last month?
Give me one moment, Your Honor. I see. Yep, it would be $1,100 total. But that was in April.
Mr. Stickler, we show in April?
No, it was after April, ma'am, and my child support was lowered after that. I broke my neck in December.
Okay,
I wasn't
hold
able
on,
to
one
work
thing
with
at a time. I got a lot going on this morning, so I understand.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sorry.
But, okay, so did you make the $1,000 payment in June?
It would have been, I believe it would have been the beginning of, yeah, my last time I was in court. Not the time before last I was in court, whatever court date that was. I paid $1,100 that month. I have another $400 today. I've never received nothing in the
Okay,
mail.
all right,
saying what my
Mr.
new-
Stickler, we're good. So, Mr. Stickler, I'm gonna set this out
Yes,
to
ma'am.
September 15 in front of Judge Olsaver. So September 15 at 8 a.m., you'll get a notice in the mail, and remember, it'll be back in front of Judge Olsaver, so you'll get his Zoom number again too, all right, Mr. Stickler? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just pay that
Have a good day.
$400 today. You
Yes,
too.
ma'am.
In the matter of Julia Herring versus Justin Lantier, file number 23-50955DS. Let me find your paperwork. Oh, I said Lantier, it's Plantier, is that how you pronounce it?
P-L-A-N-T, that's
Okay.
Plantier.
So, and this is file number 23-50955DS. So Mr. Plantier is ordered to pay $327 a month in child support. There was a show cause back on June 9, and the arrearage was $5,205. And as of today, it's gone up $6,137. We received a payment back on May 16th in the amount of $48.67. Okay, so, All right, are you working?
Right now, I'm not.
Oh, you gotta speak up for me, you're very soft.
Right now, no, I'm not currently working. I am working on getting non-employment for Social Security for disability. Having some issues like.
Okay, so, have you hired an attorney?
Not yet.
Okay, so you need to understand that this is ticking, right? Every month it's going up another $327. And I have full sympathy if you're trying to get Social Security and there's an issue underlying, which it appears based on the court notes, there probably is, but you have to understand that this continues to move. So, you know, you need to hire an attorney, you need to get the process going, you need a letter from your doctor saying you can't work. So I guess that's the first thing, you're getting medical treatment. Is your doctor saying you cannot physically work?
As of right now, yes.
Okay, so you need to go this week and get a letter from your doctor saying that you are unable to work starting on such and such date. So let them backdate it. And then you need to take that letter to the front of the court today, like right away, this next week or two.
Okay.
Because that will help front of the court to, you know, kind of take care of that. All right? Say it louder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna set this out to September 15, but you need to, like I said, you need to contact an attorney. You need to get a letter to the front of the court saying you can't work. You can't just, not do anything, because that's gonna catch you, because you're gonna get closer to a felony level, and you don't wanna do that, right? Okay, so remember, it'll be September 15 in front of Judge Olsaver. You'll get a notice of hearing with his Zoom number, right? All right, thank you. Are you Jason?
Yes.
So you go sit over there. Suzanne? Okay, I never have friend of the court show cause people sitting next to each other without violence. So, all right, and this is file number 23-50992 DM. So this is a date and time set for show cause against Ms. Winterfeld. Arrearage at the time the original show cause was 1992. It's gone up to 2,456. Looks like the last payment we received was in April in the amount of 5828. All right, ma'am, are you currently employed?
Yes,
Where are you working at?
at the hospital, ProMedica.
You work at ProMedica. And are you 1099 or payroll? Take your taxes out?
Yeah.
Okay, are they taking child support out?
No, because we just swapped over from one company to another and my boss has not gotten me the information needed to.
So have you been making the payments online?
I have not.
Okay, so don't do that. So your monthly charge is $200 a month. You're gonna need to pay on these arrearages. Do you understand that? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so typically we say as long as you're paying $50 a month towards your arrearage, comes to $250 a month.
Yes.
Then that'll start taking down the arrearage. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any problem with that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm gonna adjourn this out to September 15 to monitor that. So you need to you get paid weekly, bi-weekly.
Bi-weekly.
So, you need to pay, what would it be? $175 each paycheck. Go online and payment. You can pay it in person here, in cash, whatever it is. Make those payments until it starts coming out of your check, all right? And then Ms. Stevenson will order that at $50, unless there's already an amount, but $50 towards the arrearage, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you both.
Your Honor,
Yeah,
could I ask that Ms. Winterfeld come down and update her address, please?
yeah. Can you go down there?
Yeah.
Give her your address. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Winterfeld. Almost through Judge Olsaver. In the matter of Jennifer Pisarski versus Michael Lane, file number 24-51492 DP. That matter is set for September 15 at 8 a.m. And in the matter of Samantha Ladd versus John Dotson, Samantha Ladd, file number 24-51552 DP. Dotson is ordered to pay $279 a month. There's an arrearage of $4,670. Last payment. Let's see. Make sure bench warrant set bond in the amount of 500 cash. Okay, so that concludes Judge Olsaver's docket. He has a jury trial going on. Who are you? Yeah. But you're mine, aren't you?
And again? You're old savers, yes. I got a phone call.
Hold on. So, Michelle Stevenson, Ryan Davis does not show on Judge Olsaver's docket. But I do have his paperwork, but he's not on the written docket. Did something happen with Mr. Davis's file?
I am not sure. Let me check on that.
It's
Yeah.
Kelly Kim, actually.
Yeah. Your Honor, he's August 4th in Old Savers.
Okay.
I was told August 15th.
You were told what?
August 15th.
Well, today's July 21st.
I know, I got a phone call. That's why I'm here today by Kelly.
By Kelly Kim?
Yes.
So, all right, Miss Kim, was it adjourned?
It was adjourned till August 4th, and I tried to correct it when I was talking to Mr. Davis.
All
on the
right, it's
phone.
August 4th at 8 a.m. in front of Judge O.
Okay, can I get something in the mail or can I get a piece of paper now?
Wait. Go down in front of the court and request, I'm gonna call her. All right, and that was in the matter of, Sarah Seeberger versus Ryan Davis. I'm just putting it on the record. 23-51048 DS. Here's paperwork.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
All right, now we'll move on. So, in the matter of Christina Robbins versus Jeffrey Wright, that matter has been adjourned to September 15, and that's file number 21-48250 DC. In the matter of Brittany Coley versus Jamie Vanzo, file number 24-51483 DS, that matter has been adjourned to September 8. In the matter of Victoria Kildea versus Jeremy Kildea, file number 24-52324 F8. UF. That's been adjourned to August 18. So let's go back to all right, Mr. Neal, can you hear me, Mr. Neal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, Mr. Neal, this is in the matter of Melissa Francoeur versus Brandon Neal, file number 21-48866 DP. Says the date and time set for show cause. Mr. Neal, you're ordered to pay $269 a month in child support. The original show cause here started on May 2nd. 25, you have an arrearage of $11,486, which is above the limit with which the Attorney General can charge you with a felony. Mr. Anderson, have we ever received a payment?
No, we have not.
All right, and then Mr. Neal, just to let you know, do I have both of his files? No. So, Mr. Neal, you have another file that there is currently a bench warrant on for a failure to appear. So, Mr. Neal, are you currently employed?
No, I'm not. Only thing I get is Social Security. So I'm trying to look for a job, but like I said, I only get Social Security. So I don't know how. That's what I was trying to tell the other judge before this one. I don't know if they can come after my stuff on Social Security or what.
So, Mr. Neal, let's back up. So you're getting Social Security, you're getting SSI or SSD?
SSI.
Okay, and have you provided that information to friend of the court?
No, I did at first. Yes, I did.
Hold on. Have you petitioned for a referee hearing to lower your child support?
No, I have not.
All right, so Mr. Neal, a couple things. I want you today to bring in to Mr. Anderson. I'm gonna quash the bench warrant right now on file number 2020-47538, whatever it is. And then Mr. Anderson, Mr. Neal, I'm gonna order that you come in and see Mr. Anderson today. Do you live local?
No, I don't. I live all the way in Detroit.
Well, I used to drive from here to Detroit every day when I worked for legal services, so I'm gonna need you to find a ride here. And I can put you in a breakout room with Mr. Anderson, but you're gonna need to petition for a referee hearing, and you're gonna need to provide documentation of your social security to front of the court. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And then, I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Anderson, and you can set up a date and time to come meet with them or talk to them today here too. But if you don't do those things, you're gonna end up having a bench warrant where you go to jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you live in Detroit or do you live downriver? What city do you live in?
Detroit. This Detroit.
Okay, all right, so, all right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, but I'm gonna adjourn this out to September 15. Or no, wait, yeah, September 15, for you to get all that information to Mr. Anderson. And then even though you're getting Social Security, you still need to make a payment. So the reason you need to have a referee hearing is they will review that and order a monthly amount to be paid, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Anderson. And our next court date will be September 15. Like I said, you're gonna need to provide proof of Social Security, and you're gonna need to petition for a referee hearing, which you can do via Zoom. So, all right, I'm putting a breakout room. Go ahead and join that breakout room. Okay. Yeah, Christopher Nace in the courtroom. Christopher Cruz, is Cruz your last name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I ask what you're here for?
It said that I have to come over here because I had a meeting with Michael Soliver for the child support thing, and it told me to come to this meeting room because that.
Okay. All right, hold on, Mr. Cruz. Kelly Cam, Mr. Vasquez, I don't have paperwork from Mr. Cruz or him on Judge Olsaver's docket. Do we have any information from Mr. Cruz?
Yeah, I don't think his hearing was today. I'm trying to look it up real quick.
What's your last name?
You told me I was adjourned to.
Oh, okay.
I'm Michael Wayne.
Okay. Okay.
For the whole saver.
Yeah, so if I adjourned it, you can go.
Okay, I never came out or.
Okay.
I just wanted to ask, since I'm Michael Wayne, if I could,
Yeah, you can go. Yours is September 15 at 8. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
He was adjourned to August 18th.
All right, Mr. Cruz, your case has been adjourned to August 18th, okay?
Okay, what time, ma'am?
They're always at 8 a.m. and Mr. Vasquez, that was a Judge Olsaver file, so it'll have a different Zoom number on, okay, Mr. Cruz?
Okay,
All right, thank you.
so August 18th, 8 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, hold on, Miss Underwood. We're in the home stretch. All right, in the matter of Puckett now. Jacqueline Puckett. In the matter of formerly known as Jacqueline Ostrander versus Joshua Moore. Oh, I got Joshua Moore. File number 2010-35263DS. All right, Mr. Moore, you want to unmute your device, please? So this is the date and time set for a show cause against Jacqueline Puckett. Looks like she's ordered to pay $424 a month in child support at time of the pleading. Show cause. Her arrearage was $2,725. That was back in April. Looks like she's probably paid this down to $955. Last payment we received was $150 on June 23rd. Mr. Anderson, have we received any other payments?
That was the last payment that we received, and then there was a $2,500 payment the month before that came from her taxes.
Okay, but no payments since?
No.
All right, I'm gonna issue a bench warrant for her arrest for failure to appear. I'm gonna set bond in the amount of $956. In the matter of Summer Walter versus Devin Harris. Summer Walter? All right. You're Summer Walter?
Yes.
Okay, come on up to the podium. Let me get him in here. Mr. Moore, I issued a bench warrant for arrest and I set bond in the amount owed, okay?
Okay, that tax thing has not been transferred to me yet. I'm not really sure what's up with that either.
It takes time. So it goes
Okay.
to Lansing, gets processed, so you don't get it right away. Sorry about
All right.
that.
That's fine.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right, in the matter of Summer Walter versus Devin Harris, file number 2016-42891DP. Ms. Walter is present in person. So Ms. Walter, you have a monthly charge in the amount of $198. The original show cause was set for July today. So you have an arrearage of $2,028. And so are you currently employed?
I'm my brother's home health aide.
Okay, so you're making income.
His medical insurance pays me to take care of.
All right, so can you pay on this today?
I don't get no more money until the second Friday of the next month.
How often
but-
do you get paid? Once a month?
Once a month, but my sister-in-law is one to put money on it on the first.
Okay, so Ms. Walter, you know, your child support is set really low. So I'm gonna need you to pay $225 a month. How much are you making?
I only get 508.
Okay, so you're gonna have to pay dollars.
She's up.
I don't care who pays it for you. I don't care who pays it for you.
Okay, so I could do it in 2 payments, like she puts 200 on it, and when I get my check, I put
225.
I could put
Or-
the other $25 on.
Yeah.
Okay.
But $225 needs to be paid on this every month, okay?
Okay.
And so she's gonna pay 200, next week.
The first,
Yeah, yeah.
not the first week from.
Well,
Friday.
today is July 21st, so it'll be a week from next Friday, a week from Friday. All right, so I'm gonna set this out to August 18 for you to make that payment. But yeah, $225 a month needs to be paid every month, okay? And like I said, I don't care who pays it for you, but that needs to be paid, all right?
And quick question, how do I file for a show cause hearing myself? Because he owes.
Yeah, you gotta go through, go to the clerk's office and they'll give you information on that.
Yeah, he owes over $6,000.
Okay. Go, I can't talk about it today, 'cause I don't have any information. Go to the clerk's office to do a show cause.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so we'll see you back on August 18 and make sure you've made your 225 for July, and then you should have made your 225 for August by the time we come back, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So the last one I have left is, thank you, Mr. Harris.
Thank you.
All right, so I don't know who Darcy is. So in the matter of Jessica Curtis versus Christopher Neese, file number 20-24 DP, Mr. Neese was ordered to appear. Mr. Neese is required to pay $364 a month in child support. He was originally show cause May 15 of 25 and his arrest. Now set bond in the amount of $2,500. So I do believe that concludes on the court show cause docket, but we got a bunch of pickups. It's a busy weekend, so I'm gonna call the jail for them. Okay. Hey, this is Judge Anselone. I have a few pickups this morning, so it looks like I have Julia Betts, Zachary Rosenberg, and Taylor Montalvo.
All right, we have somebody in our downstairs one, so we'll get them sent upstairs. Shortly. We'll get them in.
I do have a jail Zoom open, jail Zoom 1. Is that you guys?
Yeah, that's probably upstairs, so I'll call, or well, just send them upstairs.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Bye. So I have paperwork on Rosenberg. Didn't I give you paperwork on somebody?
You did. Do you want it back, Judge? I got the number now.
But I don't think I ever got paperwork on Betts.
I've got my copies. You can have these. Judge, did you say 2,500 of that was benchmark for these? I think you said 2,500, but I wasn't sure.
Yes.
Okay. There you go, Judge.
Oh. All right, and I got Betts now. Sweet. All right, ma'am, can I ask your name on the iPhone?
Brittany Holdridge.
Formerly Coley. Brittany Holdridge, was your name formerly Coley?
No, ma'am.
Can I ask what you're here for?
A child custody, like for a PPO type, and for child custody.
Okay, and which judge are you supposed to be in front of, or are you supposed to be at the front of the court?
It said, for the court said all his cases were moved to this courtroom.
Okay, so what's the other party's last name?
Oh.
Ma'am, I'm not picking, you're not picking up, you're like getting bad reception. Can you go somewhere
I'm
where
so
it's
sorry, my
better?
call keeps.
It was
No.
set for today for Judge Olsaver.
Is it from the FLC show cause?
Let me see. FLC orientation.
Your Honor,
FLC, yes.
I do not have any
Well,
documentation.
Yes, it
on
says show
how
cause,
the-
Judge.
For.
Okay,
residents.
hold on. Everybody's talking at one time, Rhonda. Give me 1 minute, Rhonda, 1 minute.
It was set for today for a show cause on July 9th of this year. It was adjourned to August 21st, Judge, at 2:00. It looks like for a referee hearings, per Ms. Brinkman.
All right, so, the young lady we were talking to before. You weren't here for a friend of the court show cause for child support?
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly because we've had so many canceled, so I wasn't sure exactly what this one was today. 'Cause I've had, there's like one with the PPO and a few other things.
Yeah, I don't have that today. I'm only handling Judge Olsaver's, friend of the court show cause docket. So, what date did you say the next date?
August 21 at 2:00.
It looks like August 21 at 2:00 is your friend of the court paperwork, but ma'am, I would probably advise you to call the clerk's office because I'm just covering Judge Olsaver's stuff and I don't have access to your file. But are you here,
Okay.
Adrian?
I am not. I can be if I need to.
Now, just call the clerk's office for the courthouse and circuit court and find out your dates, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And the gentleman with the